So, you've heard about Expensify. Maybe you've seen it advertised, or perhaps a friend or colleague has mentioned it. But the big question is Expensify free to use? Imagine a world where your expense reports are automatically filled out, your receipts are scanned in a flash, and your reimbursements arrive on time. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's the promise of Expensify. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty of whether Expensify is free or not, let's take a quick look at what it actually does. Expensify is a cloud-based expense management software that simplifies the entire expense reporting process. It's designed to save you time, reduce errors, and improve your overall financial management. Now, to answer the burning question, is Expensify free? Well, it's not entirely free, but it does offer a free plan with limited features. This basic plan is perfect for individuals or small businesses with minimal expense reporting needs. You can track expenses, scan receipts, and submit reports, but you'll be limited in terms of features and support. Benefits of the free plan. Even though the free plan has limitations, it still offers several benefits. For starters, it's a great way to try out Expensify and see if it's a good fit for you. It's also a cost-effective option for those who don't need all the bells and whistles of the paid plans. Paid plans and their features. If you need more advanced features, Expensify offers several paid plans. These plans come with additional features like corporate card integration, advanced reporting, and dedicated customer support. The cost of these plans varies depending on the size of your business and your specific needs. Is Expensify worth the cost? So, is Expensify worth the cost? That depends on your situation. If you're a busy professional or a small business owner who struggles with expense reporting, Expensify can be a valuable tool. It can save you time, reduce errors, and improve your financial management. Additional features and benefits. Beyond the core features mentioned earlier, Expensify also offers several other benefits. These include mobile app, easily track expenses and submit reports on the go. Integrations, connect Expensify with other popular business tools like QuickBooks and Salesforce. Policy enforcement, ensure compliance with company expense policies. In conclusion, Expensify is not entirely free, but it does offer a free plan with limited features. If you need more advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Whether or not Expensify is worth the cost depends on your specific needs and budget. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.